Hi, I'm Dave.
I'm Karen, and we're from Watts on Wheels. We are at Heritage Oaks Campground near Live Oaks, Florida, in Wellborn, Florida. One of the things that I like about this campground is the owners are really friendly. And you can tell they're hands-on. They really care about their campers. They want to make sure that it's a good experience for every camper that stays there.
I like it because it's new and it has plenty of amenities. I mean, nice setup around the pool area, the bar. I mean, it has a little lounge area. Get that kickback vibe feel.
But one of the things you might want to know before you reserve is the amenities can be seasonal. So they may only have some things open on the weekend. It depends on the time of year that you go, but they do have a lot of amenities, but they may not all be open.
And some of the site pads are still being finished up, but it's still ready to go. I
Yep.
mean, you've set up reservation and you're in.
So let's show you around. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We roll, we camp, and yeah, we play. If you enjoy discovering newer campgrounds that are still finding their rhythm, places that clearly have a vision, then this one you'll want to see. As a newer RV park in North Florida, it's already drawing attention for its amenities and overall layout. One of the first things you notice when you arrive at Heritage Oaks is just how open the campground is. This is a brand new park, so there aren't mature trees yet, but the layout feels very clean, modern, and intentional. The sites are arranged in curved rows with concrete or asphalt pads, wide paved roads, and clear sight lines throughout the campground. Because of the way the sites are designed, when RVs back in, the rear ends of the rigs can end up fairly close to one another. You'll see that on this video, so you can see exactly what that looks like and decide how comfortable you'll be with that setup. That said, everything here feels well planned and well built. The roads are easy to navigate, the pads are solid, and the park feels organized. What immediately stands out isn't landscaping yet, but the amenities, which clearly serve as a focal point of the campground. The campsites themselves are functional and uniform, and full hookup utilities positioned consistently from site to site. One thing to know is that the sites are not especially spacious, particularly site to site. This is not a campground where you're going to have a lot of privacy between rigs, especially when the parks fill up. Another thing that's still in progress is the area beside the pads. Right now, there are a few sites that are not yet finished with the outdoor pads for the picnic tables or chairs. However, you can still set up on the sandy grass. It's clearly part of a long-term plan. One thing this campground does very well is access. The roads are wide, paved, and easy to navigate, even for larger rigs. Pulling in, backing in, and maneuvering around the campground is straightforward, which is something a lot of newer parks get right. This campground is close to I-75, but your GPS may take you through a roundabout way. We recommend you take I-75 to exit 439, and it's less than a quarter mile away. Ask me how we know. One of the biggest strengths of Heritage Oaks Campground is just how amenity-rich it is, especially for a newer park. At the front of the campground is a large pool and hot tub area, surrounded by plenty of seating. While the pool wasn't open during our winter stay, this space is clearly designed to be a focal point during warmer months and will be a big draw in the summer. Right next to the pool is a covered outdoor gathering area with a bar, offering comfortable seating and a relaxed social atmosphere. This area opens directly to the pool, making it easy to imagine this becoming the main hangout spot once the campground is fully active. The campground also features a well-designed clubhouse, which includes a small coffee bar, a mini mart for essentials, and a casual indoor space to relax or meet with other campers. Another indoor amenity worth mentioning is the poker room. It is a dedicated space designed for casual games and friendly competition with comfortable seating and a laid-back atmosphere. For convenience, there's a clean, modern laundry room, making longer stays easier and more comfortable. The bathhouse is another standout, clean, nicely finished, and thoughtfully designed with spacious restrooms, well-maintained showers, and plenty of hot water. Heritage Oaks is clearly geared towards families. There's a playground for kids, along with a separate toddler area designed specifically for younger children. These spaces give kids room to play while parents can relax nearby. For indoor fun, the campground also has an arcade with games like table tennis, pool, a claw machine, Pop-A-Shot, and classic arcade games, a nice option for rainy days or evenings. If you enjoy staying active, there is no shortage of options here. The campground includes a pickleball court, a basketball court, and a volleyball court. These open, well-maintained recreation areas offer something for all ages and skill levels. Speaking of skill levels,
Karen wants to try to play
Yep.
pickleball.
This isn't going to last, but very long at all.
Oh yeah, this is going to be good. Come on.
Oh my! Multiple bounces are fine. It's like a mulligan.
there are also community fire pits under the big old oak trees, providing a great spot to gather in the evenings, roast marshmallows, and socialize with other campers. Heritage Oaks also offers a food court area featuring rotating food trucks. This adds variety and convenience, especially during busier seasons. There's an outdoor lounge area with casual seating, string lights, and lawn games like cornhole, another space designed for relaxing and socializing in the evenings. For those traveling with pets, the campground includes a dog park offering a safe, open space for dogs to run and play off leash. One unique feature you don't often see at RV parks is a relaxation room, designed as a quiet escape where guests can unwind and recharge through massage. Adding to the resort-style feel the owners are clearly aiming for. While not everything was fully open during our winter visit, it's easy to see that Heritage Oaks is designed to be a high-energy social campground during peak seasons. Between the pool, bar, recreation areas, family spaces, and gathering spots, this is a campground built for summer stays, weekends, and longer visits where amenities really matters. This is an important thing to understand about Heritage Oaks. During the winter months, the campground is very quiet, and many amenities are seasonal. The pool, bar area, and social spaces weren't active while we were here, or they may only be open on weekends. If you're looking for peace and quiet, winter could actually be a nice time to stay here. But if you're looking for a lively social atmosphere, this campground is clearly designed for spring, summer, and fall use. One of the highlights of our stay here was the owners, Greg and Ashley Waters. They are friendly, welcoming, and very hands-on. They were open about what's finished, what's still in progress, and what they plan to add as the campground continues to develop. Heritage Oaks is located just outside Live Oak and Wellborn, which makes it a convenient base camp. You're close to grocery stores, fuel, pharmacies, and big box shopping, making it easy to restock during a longer stay. There are also several local restaurants nearby, including casual diners and family-owned spots that give you a taste of small-town Florida. Live Oak is known for its proximity to the Suwannee River, along with multiple natural springs in the region. Kayaking, canoeing, fishing, and boating are all popular activities here. There are also scenic drives and day trips available if you enjoy exploring quieter parts of Florida away from the more crowded tourist destinations. When we were there in December, the campground had only been open a few weeks, and they were clearly putting a lot of effort to get things just right. It's new, it's clean, it's well planned. The amenities, friendly owners, and convenient location near Live Oak and the Suwannee River make this campground worth keeping an eye on. Reservations are handled online at heritageoaksrvresort.com, and you can actually pick the site you want. And yes, we would stay here again. Thanks for rolling with What's on Wheels. Want to help our channel grow? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell, or we'll come Jeep chasing you. Hey, and leave us a comment. Even a quick hello makes our day. So roll, camp, play, and maybe fix something, and have a beer.